From here.
Oh, benar bias. Bias ke mong?
Policeman was it? That's what I believe. It's a blood trauma. Nanti apa aja saat nomornya evident inside intestine whether it will come medical refuse to stay again, refuse to stay. Yeah, you can just go to the casualty, check yourself out. No, it's up to you. Wait, first we'll discuss that. Yeah. Right now you're not willing to give anything. We can give some spray. You cannot walk or do. No, we can give some spray. We give some medicine. We'll discuss.
Give info will be here.